Kain kayo ma, kain.
Ito, over ng aking kain. Pero once 6 years. Isang beses na ako nito na ipulukin dito. Sa loob ng 6 years. Ngayon lang ako nag-itulukin. Oo. Ngayon lang. Dito anak. Dito sa Manchester. Pero sa Italia, palagi tayo nag-itulukin doon. Nililibre nyo kami. Dito lang ba? Dito. Pwede naman daw. Mag-video? Pwede daw na.
Kayo na naman mag-edit. Magputol-putol.
Mas mahusay ka eh.
Hindi ako marunong ito.
Ay, ba? Why you do not do your...
Good. Mag-isino mo kayo yung vlogger na.
Yung pag-AI, ang tuturuan niyo ako. Dahil hindi ako marunong mag-AI. Last na ito, tapos ano, live stream pa.
No. Joshua, take 2. What can you say about the
besides the barbecue and the sweet and sour, I'd like to say the drinks were delightful, really refreshing. Now, not only that, but there are the desserts. I'd like to say the desserts were pretty nice, yes. Some of them were a bit sweet, but were also delightful in some way. I tried the ice cream. It was very creamy, very milky. It was a bit watery, but it was good. It was good. I had a bit of sauce onto that, and the cone was nice as well. But I'm pretty sure that was store bought. But yeah, anyways, it was a very great experience, and you must try yourselves.
Thank you, Joshua. Jeremy, how about you? What can you say about the food?
The what?
Oh, the food.
Food. The one I liked the most was the fries and chicken. Like, they were really good, and the rice too, the jasmine rice too was great. And I liked the rice noodles as well. They were really good. And even though they might be matabang, I like the taste of it. And I don't really hate anything here. I don't really hate any food in this buffet.
Thank you, Jeremy. Hey, ma. 星熊花. Okay, what can you say about the lady bird?
I think yung masarap.
No, ma. Edit niyo, ma. Lahat yung na ano ko. Paano i-stop?
Nandito kami sa taas. Second floor. Yan ang food court sa baba. Tapos umakyat kami dito. May kainan dito. May kainan din dito sa second floor. Oh! Ayan, pang sinihan yan.
Shopping center po kami.
Nandito kami sa, anong pangalan nito?
Shopping center.
Chowford Center. Dito kami namasyal. Nasaan na? Walang museum dito? Yan, parang museum din.
Parang Egyptian ang sa ano.
Napakalaking museum. Napakalaking ano na to? Mall dito sa Manchester. Ang laki-laki. Sina Jubin ang guide namin. Dahil malapit sila dito. Dito lagi sila nagpupunta. Kami first time lang namin. Nandito kami sa labasan. Napakalaki niya. Ganda. Ganda. Napakalaki. Dito ito malapit sa Manchester.
What's your name?
Napakaganda. Ha? dito. Hindi pa kami nakaakyat dyan. Aakyat pa kami. Dyan. Sila muna.
Tara, picture ako kayo.
Sige.
Pa, picture ako kayo pa.